for apple. Red, juicy, and crunchy. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
B for banana, yellow and sweet. Monkeys love bananas and kids do too.
C for cherry. Small, red, and yummy. Cherries are like tiny jewels of nature.
D for dates. Sweet fruits from palm trees. Dates give us instant energy.
E for elderberry. Tiny purple berries, full of vitamins and super healthy.
F for fig, soft and sweet fruit. Figs keep your tummy happy and healthy.
G for grapes, green or purple, sweet and juicy. Grapes give you lots of energy.
Let's quickly revise. A for apple, B for banana, C for cherry, D for dates, E for elderberry, F for fig, G for grapes. Great work, kids! Today you learned A to G with fruits. Eating fruits makes you smart, healthy, and strong.